So, hello again people, and now I'm going to be telling you about quasars. Basically I did all together in one lesson, but because they are three different topics and a person may be just interested in one bit of my lesson, I just decided to do 3 videos. Anyway, quasars, these are some illustrations of how we believe they look like, okay? And some of you, although I don't want to give it away just yet, some of you may be like, that looks like a picture or illustration of something else. But I will leave you as there, and you will see sooner or later what that something else is, or if you're right. So, quasars. So, so while the other stuff were mine, I mean, not the pictures, but this is not my PowerPoint, okay, or not my slide on the PowerPoint. This one is an animation from Boardworks. I'm not speaking normal today. Anyway, so a quasar. The way that we saw quasars was by looking at very, very powerful radio jets, okay? Now, there are also gamma jets, as they say in there, but they are very powerful radio sources, okay? And that's how we found them first. And the most distant object that we do have up to at least maybe a week ago is a quasar. So they do show very large redshift, meaning that they are very far away. The bigger the redshift, the further away the object is from us, okay? Now, a quasar is in the center of a galaxy with an active black hole, okay? Or some scientists already say that is a galaxy in an active black hole, or that is a supermassive black hole. And I'm already giving it away. I didn't want to do it just yet. But here we go. This is a picture of a quasar on a radio map, okay? And then, very slowly, I'm going to move here the elevator, and we started to look at the type of data we had, and we start to make a model of what could give this out. And this is the model, okay? Now, if you look at it, this is the galaxy. At the center I have a black hole, and then I have the particles being emitted perpendicular from the disk, okay? And this is what a quasar is. So I'm going to leave it more or less here, and you kind of have the 2 pictures together. So here it is, okay? The jets and the main part, okay? So that's a quasar. Now, more stuff about quasars. So what do we know about them? And I'm going to have quasars popping in other videos later on, okay? But for now, the redshift measurements suggest that quasars are the most distant and powerful observable objects, or the most distant and powerful observed object so far is a quasar, okay? Doesn't mean that they are all very far away, okay? Using the inverse square law, we could calculate the power output, and the quasars has the same power output of several galaxies, so you can imagine how powerful it is, okay? Now, the variations of the output alone suggest that they can only be about the size of a solar system, so they are tiny. They give a lot of material, but they are tiny, okay, in astronomical senses or ways, or, scales. They appear in the center of young galaxies, and often they obscure the host galaxy because they are so bright, okay? And we don't quite know, but it is believed that they come from supermassive black holes at the center of active galaxies. And I have more on this in the next video, which will not be today, but you will see that there is a very strong relationship between them, okay? But I don't want to get it just yet, okay? Let's wait until I get there. Haha, suspense. Now, quasars, they were first discovered as very powerful radio sources. I think I told you that already. And because of the poor resolving power of radio telescopes, it was very difficult to associate the quasar with the optical counterpart. So they didn't quite know what it was. They just found it was something very strange. Now, with better telescopes and with interferometry, which I was able to say better before, just about an hour ago, the quasars could be pinpointed, and we know that they give out all electromagnetic radiation, okay? All EM radiation in a whole spectrum is given out by the quasars, okay? And they show very large optical redshifts. And I think that's all. Yeah, the other ones you have to wait. So that's all about quasars, okay? Again, I will talk more about quasars and supermassive black holes and possible relationships between them, okay? But this is for now just a quick intro to quasars, okay? So here I am signing off, and you guys take care. Bye.